Two young lives cut short, one teenager behind the wheel. And then came the public's reaction. Social media is filled with rage over the negligence that this case has brought to light. The blatant attempt to cover up the case led to even more attention. The fact that the teenager involved in the case was bailed just 15 hours after the incident took place and was asked to write a 300-word essay on road accidents and their solution first seemed like a touch of sarcasm to many, but then opened the floodgates of fury. Social media is filled with many questions that still don't have an answer. Like, what was a luxury car doing running on the streets of Pune without registration since March? Why did no one stop the car? What was the reason? How is it that not one but two pubs graciously served liquor to underage teenagers? But no one asked for an ID. Remember that the legal age in Maharashtra to drink alcohol or consume alcohol is 25 years. Reportedly, the eyewitnesses say that these young boys were heavily intoxicated when the accident took place at around 2:30 a.m. on May 19th. And then, if there was no public outcry, would there be any hope of justice for the two people who were killed because of an intoxicated 17-year-old's reckless driving? Now let's take you through the case and what has unfolded so far. May 19 at 2:30 a.m., a 17-year-old boy crashed his speeding Porsche into a bike. The crash killed two people. Anish Avadhya and Ashwini Koshta were IT professionals. Ashwini died on the spot and Anish was shifted to a city hospital where he died soon after. The Porsche Taycan rammed into the two-wheeler reportedly at a speed of over 200 kilometers per hour. The teenager, the son of an influential builder, Vishal Agarwal, was caught at the accident site. He tried to escape, he tried to run away, but the airbags deployed prevented him from doing so. He was allegedly served pizza at the police station, and not even 24 hours later, he was granted bail. CCTV footage of the incident showed the 17-year-old speeding recklessly through the streets of Pune. Another video of the teenager sitting at a bar with his friends has surfaced. Police claimed that the teen spent 48,000 rupees on alcohol before the accident. He was celebrating his class 12th results at a local pub. While he was heading home from the bar, the teen lost control of the car. The police sought his custody and permission to try him as an adult. However, the court refused and granted him bail. The police stated that the bail was granted as the court did not find the crime committed by the juvenile to be serious. After the news broke of the bail conditions in the matter, outrage ensued. Many accused the judge of going soft on the accused. The families of the two victims have also expressed anger at the court's decision.
मेरा बच्चा चला गया, उसकी क्या गलती थी? उसकी कोई गलती नहीं थी मेरे बेटे की जो चला गया। मेरा बेटू को क्या गलती थी उसकी जो उसने मेरे में से मेरे बेटे को मार दिया। मेरा बच्चा इतना अच्छा था।
Now, following the outrage, Maharashtra's Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis reached out to the Pune Police Commissioner Amitesh Kumar and he asked him to ensure that there was no soft peddling against the accused in the case. The Deputy Chief Minister also promised strong action against the teen. He also condemned the lenient approach and the punishment given to the boy by the Juvenile Justice Board.
इस लड़के को जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड के सामने पेश किया गया तो बोर्ड ने उसमें बहुत ही लीनियंट व्यू लिया और दो लोगों के मरने के बावजूद भी एक प्रकार से केवल 15 दिन का सोशल सर्विस का काम उनको दिया। इससे आउटरीच और बढ़ा। मूल रूप से अगर हम इसको देखें तो पुलिस ने जो एप्लीकेशन मूव की है उस एप्लीकेशन में बहुत साफ शब्दों में कहा है कि ये लड़का 17 साल 8 महीने का है। ये जो क्राइम है ये हीनियस क्राइम है और निर्भया कांड के बाद जुवेनाइल जस्टिस एक्ट में जो चेंजेस आए हैं उसमें 16 साल से ऊपर अगर विधि संघर्षित बालक है लेकिन क्राइम हीनियस है तो उसको एडल्ट करके ट्रीट किया जा सकता है और उसको एडल्ट ट्रीट करना चाहिए।
Following this, Commissioner Amitesh Kumar said that they will appeal the order to a high court. He said that the police had sought permission from the board to try the minor as an adult and also send him into an observation home, as the crime was heinous and the plea was rejected. On 21st of May, the Pune police detained the father of the teen accused. He was caught from Maharashtra's Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. The Pune police FIR says that the father, Vishal Agarwal, allowed his son to drive the car despite knowing that the Porsche was unregistered, since he did not pay the road tax and his son did not have a driving license. The father, a prominent realtor in Pune, was on the run since the incident took place. He has now been booked under the provisions of Sections 75 and 77 of the Juvenile Justice Act on the charges of allowing his minor son to drive the Porsche and consume liquor. Section 75 deals with willful negligence of a child or exposing a child to mental or physical illness, while Section 77 deals with supplying a child with intoxicating liquor and drugs. Apart from this, the Pune police have also arrested the bar owners for allegedly serving alcohol to the juvenile.
लॉ पॉइंट पे जो एकेडमिकली जो कहना है वो रिकॉर्ड पे रखा हुआ है। आज उसके ऊपर बहस हुई, दोनों साइड से आर्ग्यूमेंट्स हुए, दोनों साइड से साइटेशंस कोर्ट किए गए बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के, और उसके बाद नतीजा ये आया है कि ऑनरेबल जुवेनाइल जस्टिस बोर्ड ने चाइल्ड इन कॉन्फ्लिक्ट विथ लॉ इनको 5 जून 2024 तक एक रिहैबिलिटेशन होम इसमें रखने का आदेश दिया हुआ है। इस दौरान उनका पूरा एक पैरामीटर सेट किए हुए।
In the latest, the Juvenile Justice Board has sent the teenager to an observation home. Added to this, the Juvenile Justice Board has also allowed Pune Police plea seeking a review of its May 19th order of bail. The committee will also be set up under Section 15 of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act to monitor the teenager. This section will also empower the JJB to determine whether he will be tried as an adult in the court or will he be sent for rehabilitation. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to Mirror Now.